Okay, so I had wanted to start vlogging, but I don't really know how to do that. And then I want to be like authentic, and to be honest, like, girl, I don't be having nothing to say. Like, I feel like, oh, hold on, players. I just feel like if you vlogging, you have to be saying something interesting all the time. And girl, I don't have interesting stuff to say all the time. Like, I really don't be having interesting stuff to say all the time. Like, I don't. I gotta make my bed up. My bed ain't made up. It's a big old bed though. I ain't made my bed up. None of that stuff. So it's like I don't really be having. I don't really be having interesting stuff to say. I don't really know. I don't know. And then not only do I not be having interesting stuff to say, I don't know. My angles be dusty. Like, look, like girl, listen. Like, and then I have to do, not really a brand deal, but this is literally the best mascara I have ever used in my life. Like, for real. So I have to take like a little picture. And all of that stuff. And it's actually a bunch of other stuff that I have from this company. And actually, I think I may show you in this video. Because is that what vlogging is? I think it is. Where you like... Yep, that's what I'm doing. So I am going to transfer these files over. I'm gonna transfer these files over, and then I'm going to go cook dinner because I'm mommy of the year. Okay, I do all of the stuff that I do, all of that stuff, and then I'm about to go cook dinner. And I'm making 2 separate meals, right? Because I have my husband on, not a diet. He don't want me to call it a diet. So don't tell him I said it was a diet. Like, don't tell him I said it. But it's not a diet. He's sexy. But it's still, he, you know. What to do? So he's having a different meal than everybody else having, and I'm low-key hating on his. But I'm gonna go get his dinner done and transfer these files over. I may stay up late and edit this video, but then I probably won't. Oh, and then sometimes the angles that I record my videos then be wrong, but I don't know. Like, at first I was gonna shave all of my hair off, I'm not gonna lie, but like this shave side is doing it for me. And like sometimes the angles that I like film in, sometimes it'll like make it look like it's a bald spot, and that's because my hair is naturally really thick. You know how I tell everybody like, oh, you got 1 to 4 strands coming out of each pore. Normally I'm one of those people that have like 4 strands coming out of each pore, but in places where it thinned out, obviously it ain't 4 right there, girl. We gotta lead up to it. So if I don't comb it all in the same direction, you can see the spots that they don't got 4 hairs yet. It's maybe like 1 or 2 of them. Some of them ain't even came in yet. They like right there. They like peeking through, but they haven't came through yet. But I don't care, and I'm not editing it out, and I'm not being ashamed of it no more. So the thing is, with HS, it's no cure. You can get sweat glands removed, but I don't want to do that. I just don't want to. No reason. Yes, it is. I just feel like it's the reason I'm supposed to have sweat glands. So I just don't want to remove it. I just don't. And if I don't eat double cheeseburgers, I don't get outbreaks. So moral of the story is, I stopped stop eating double cheeseburgers all the time. And I'm alright. And if I do eat a double cheeseburger, it may pop up. That's why I'm gonna keep it short over here and let it grow out everywhere else. Ignore that. And let it grow out everywhere else, you know. So that way I can eat whatever double cheeseburgers I want and it's not gonna be a big deal. So if you see a spot, okay, just say Cynple eating double cheeseburgers with mac sauce. Like, mind your business. Mind your business. I decided at 35 I'm not about to live my life running from double cheeseburgers with mac sauce. Like, I'm just not doing it. No, I will not. So if you have a problem with my double cheeseburger spot, I don't know. Ooh, I had a clacky. I hate it. Isn't it clacky? You didn't. I already told you. Double cheeseburgers. Double cheeseburgers, like. Oh, and I had to color it. Look. Look at it now, right? I colored it. Look at it now. Girl, this how the shit was looking earlier. Girl, I'm going gray, girl. And when it get gray all the way, then I'ma let it like come in and I'ma have like gray roots. But no, it was just, it made my hair look dirty. And my natural hair color is like a reddish brown. I don't like it. I want it to look dark, jet black, blue black. So that's it. All right, I'm about to print some of these orders out so I could get everybody's orders out. Thank you guys so much for your orders and your patience. All of the extracts are made by hand. I'll be having gloves on and stuff. It's a machine, but it's a process. And I don't want to send them out before they're ready. So thank you to everybody for your patience with this apothecary. I love you. And you guys know, if there is a time, which doesn't happen often, but if there's ever a time where you order a back order item and it takes a long time for it to get to you, I'm adding like little gifts. So be looking for the little gifts in your packages, right? Love you, girl. Love you. All right. So yeah, but go get dinner started and then I'm gonna crack these labels. That's how it's gonna go. That's how it's about to be cracking like. I'm gonna be, oh shit, I'm gonna be, I just knocked out. So I just got done filming for the day, but now I have to go cook dinner. I'm going to try to wait and tie my hair until I go or at least get ready to lay in the bed so y'all can see exactly how I tie my hair up. I only wear my hair curly like this when it's time to wash it. It look a little full and body full, but girl, it is not. It's a bunch of dry shampoo in my hair. That's why it's so stiff. Anyway, about to go cook dinner and then I'll be back. And I think that's why I think sometimes, and I'm gonna do better with letting certain stuff annoy me. I've been doing good, but it's annoying because it's like, girl, do you know how much stress it took to record and film these damn videos just to sit down and hear somebody bald head granddaughter trying to argue me in the comments? But it's cool, it's fine. I'm about to go cook. I have no idea what I'm cooking either.